All right, I'm gonna get ready to make my Italian pasta salad. And these are the noodles that I like to use. I made this salad before and I didn't film it and it came out really good and yummy and my family love it. I got my cucumbers here. I'm gonna go ahead and shave the skin off, peel them, and dice them up. The first time I made it, I had my own bell pepper and red onion, and I chopped it up. It took a lot of work. So this time, cutting the corners. I already got it chopped up from the grocer. And I'm gonna put red tomatoes in it, and I'm gonna wash those, rinse those off, and chop them in half for my salad. So now, right now, I just gotta cook my noodles. I'm gonna wait till the water boil and make my salad. I like to go ahead and peel my cucumbers. Now, some people I have seen on YouTube to where they just chop their cucumbers up with the skin on it. I like to shave mine. Um, Now that my noodles have cooked, I'm going to go ahead and drain them, and I'm going to stop the cooking process. They're really hot. And to slow down the cooking process, you can also rinse the noodles with some cool water. Right here, I'm rinsing my noodles with some cool water so that I can slow them down from cooking. Now, this part is optional. You can let the noodles sit and cool, but they would tend to stick together, so you have to just keep an eye on them. Here are my grape tomatoes. I'm going to go ahead and slice them in half. If you see there, I sliced them in half. I got my cucumbers, my bell peppers here, and my diced onion. I like to use a red onion. This is what I seen in the recipe that I got, and it turns out pretty good. Okay, so now that my noodles have cooled, I'm gonna go ahead and put them in my mixing bowl and get ready to add the ingredients. So this Italian salad is really easy to make once you get the noodle bowl. So adding in my sliced red grape tomatoes and of my cucumbers and my bell peppers. Now, the vegetables that you add to your Italian salad is totally up to you, totally optional. Some people add broccoli into their Italian um, salad. I don't eat broccoli in mine. I don't eat broccoli. So I like the red onion. Here I'm going to add the powder zesty Italian seasoning to it to give it, just a little bit more flavor in it. Again, this is also optional, but I did see Philly Boy Chef on YouTube add some to his, and so I added some to mine. I add black pepper, and I also added some garlic powder to mine. Again, all these seasonings are optional. You can season to your taste and to your liking. Here is some salad mix seasoning that I add to it that really give it a kick. Now I'm using the Olive Garden Italian dressing for mine. When I first made this salad, I had used the Kent's zesty Italian dressing, and it tastes just as good. But this time around, I wanted to try it with the Olive Garden Italian dressing, and it turned out really good and yummy. So it's up to you whether you want to use whatever type of salad dressing that you want to use for your salad. I'm adding some olives, black olives, and then also some pomegranate, some Parmesan cheese. That's Parmesan cheese. Yeah, added to it. And now I'm put on my gloves, and I'm gonna give it a really good mix with my hands instead of a spoon, because I really want to get down to the bottom of it and grab the noodles and really give it a good mix. And here it is, all finished and done. This salad is mainly a cold dish, so it's served cold and not warm, and it's a big hit for any dinner party. Follow and like for more. Thanks for watching. Follow and like for more videos and tell me how you make your Italian pasta salad. It's interesting. I want to know. I read the comments. Let me know what you put in yours. And I'll see you on my next video. From the outside looking in, I am Janata Virgil.